Hey everybody, it's Nicole Jolie. I'm posting this and making this video as I'm writing this post. And I'm doing this because I have realized that a lot of people out there are looking for communities, looking to create a way to get warm leads. And there's all kinds of shiny objects out there that help you get warm leads. But in the meantime, I wanted to share what I'm working on, and it's in Discourse. This is an N8N back end that I'm building out, and this is an aggregation of articles for the home healthcare community based on AI. And I'm building this community on Discourse. And the reason I'm doing it is for 5 different reasons, or 5, not 4, 5. And that's right here. I've shared this structured semantic data, open web indexing. You can read about it below this video or above this video. And the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of home healthcare agencies are kind of racing to get to the next person, and they haven't yet put into effect a lot of the automation that could help them and increase their time to spend with either the patient or maybe the nurses that are helping the patients or anyone else in their team. AI has made it a lot easier to depend on it to do a lot of automation. So I wanted to share what I'm working on. This is the AI health community that I'm building on Discourse. And the reason I'm building it on Discourse is because it's an authority. It's not an easy build. I learn a lot every single day. I learn something new. So just because you have a workflow doesn't mean you're like set it and forget it. This is not a set it and forget it kind of thing. It curates, it writes on your behalf, it citations it allows people to interact. And that's the whole goal of having a Discourse community. So I wanted to share this because I didn't post yesterday. I'm not auto posting on LinkedIn, even though I really should. And a lot of people are. I just haven't set it up for myself. But I am actively looking for clients who are in an industry who understand what it is and what it takes to not only build a community, but keep the community going and build upon that. It's not just the initial build, that's just the start. It's really curating that community, allowing that community to be a part of the decisions that are made, allowing that community to be a part of what you post, or maybe even a part of some live events. This is about creating a community that allows you to be the authority that ranks in the LLMs, such as ChatGPT, Atlas, and Comet. These are where people are searching right now. And where people are searching right now is very important. Google links, the blue links are going away. They are being deprecated. And you can read about that. You can find it on my blog. You can find it everywhere. Or you can be number 1 on Google, but people are not going to Google anymore. There's 35% less clicks on Google now that there are the LLM like Atlas and Comet that give authority, that give trust signals, that give you reasons to want to work with that company. And that company is the one that is now at the top of that trust. Whether or not you agree with it, whether or not you like it, whether or not you want it to happen, it's happening. And if you're serious about like getting this out and getting your message out, then I would love to help you. I'm doing this on my own. I'm a Gen Xer. I'm 58 years old. I'm looked over constantly. I never thought I'd deal with ages ever. And I'm dealing with it a lot. And I realize that people don't see what Gen Xers have to bring to the table, regardless of whether they know AI or not. They bring a lot to the table. And one of the things that they bring is a human point of view as opposed to an AI point of view, and not a gaming point of view where the phone is in your face all the time. It's about putting yourself out there. It's about giving yourself the opportunity to take that risk. And this is the risk that I'm taking. And it's hard. It's not easy. People, I look at other people and compare myself a lot to what's going on LinkedIn. And I can tell you that I don't put my story out there as inspirational because I don't think it is, but maybe one day it will be. And so this post is about building on Discourse. This post is about what I can do. This post is about wanting to work with professionals who are not looking for something for free, wanting to work with people who know what it is to create a community that makes a difference in their business, makes a difference in their life, makes a difference in other people's lives. And that's who I'm looking for. And if that's you and you're a human and you're like, wow, I could really see where this woman would work hard for me and have a buy-in in my business and my message, then please reach out. I encourage you to reach out because you never know what two people can do in a small way and what that could bring to your community and that could bring to my life. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope this reaches the right person or the right people.